welcome to my new video, PES Pro Legends. First of all, please subscribe my channel. Guys, we are going to a new video, Beckham status. We want to know about the secrets of Beckham status. Look guys, one surprise for you. The maximum rating and club booster for Beckham is 98. But there is a secret in Beckham. You want to look that? If Beckham will be in attacking midfielder, look, 97 already and 99 club boosted. This is one of the secrets of Beckham. Look guys, it is very more useful to us. Look guys, it's very nice playing. His status will be every 99, 98, 99. Every is very good guys. Club boosted. Oh my goodness, it is very nice player. Beckham is the one of the best player in PES iconic moment. Look guys, every is very good status. Look, offensive awareness 98, ball control 99, dribbling 98, tight position 99, low pass 98. It's a good review guys. Try if you get Beckham, try to play with Beckham in attacking midfielder guys. It is more useful to your team. Guys, today's video is ending now. Bye guys.